Akshata, HC. Akshata. Hello, Akshata. Akshata, HC. Chiraldini. I'm audible? Yes, Akshata. Akshata, Chiraldini. I am audible or no? Yes, Akshata. 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 Akshata, I am audible. Akshata. Saraswati Kurni. Saraswati.
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please, in today's class, I want to discuss on remaining points with respect to your unit 4th of compensation and reward system. You know already that is the what are the determinant, how you are going to determine the external competitiveness and what are the benefits management. You know that meaning of that competitiveness, definition of competitiveness. Then after that, what are the external competitiveness are there refers to the pay, how you should maintain that pay level to each and every organization, right, to each and every employee with respect to for the purpose to maintain a good relationship between you and your employee. Okay, then after that, what are the control costs are there, and as an employee of the organization, how you should attract and retain the employees by paying a good particular pay level to the all the employees. Then what shapes external competitiveness discussed already. Then what are the labor market factors are there. Okay, then how labor markets work. Then what is the labor demand, marginal product, marginal revenue, labor supply. Then to lead, to meet, to follow, lead, lag, lead, lag, wage surveys, nature of the organization, nature of the compensation system, incumbent and job, and what are the points which are coming into the in how to interpret the survey results, what are the pay policy lines are there, what is the meaning of that, what is the meaning of that pay grades, and what are the benefits of that, then what are the benefits of determination process, strategic reasons for offering benefits, advantages of compensation benefits by giving such kind of compensation to the worker, what are the advantages by that, like job satisfaction, motivation, low absenteeism, low turnover. Okay, and then by giving such a kind of all those benefits to the worker, what are the advantages to the employees like peace of mind and increases self-confidence, and what is the value of benefits, components of total rewards, okay, assessing the value, then legally required benefits like social security, workers compensation, unemployment compensation, family medical leave act, okay, according to family leave act 12, what are the benefits you should give legally, then what is that exactly EI is employment insurance, okay, then up to here I already mentioned to the class. Then before going to take further more points, one by one I'll take, and in this, especially this class, I want to take explanation of that each particular slides. Okay, Akshata, let's see, come in video mode. All have to please come in video mode. Yes, Akshata, Akshata Chiraldini, Rashmi Magdum, all have to come in video mode. Yes, yes, Tejashwini, tell me what is the meaning of that competitiveness, and what is the definition of competitiveness? Yes,
Sorry, sir, I just missed it out.
your voice is not clear, Tejashwini.
I just missed it out, sir.
No voice.
I just missed it out.
Please increase your volume. Huh. Explain what is the meaning of competitiveness and definition of competitiveness. Yes, fast. Tejashwini. Today I want to recollect all those points. That's it.
Am I audible? Hello.
Hmm?
Sir, I've got some technical issues. I'm just not audible.
Yes. Competitiveness means what,
I'm audible.
according to you? Yes, tell me.
Ability to perform complete intermarkets.
Huh? Mrunali Misal.
Ability to
Mrunali Misal. Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Competitiveness means what? Make it fast. Competitiveness means
Possessing the
what?
strong
I'm
desire to
asking.
be more successful than the others.
Voice is not clear.
So the quality
Huh.
of being good as good as or better than others.
Okay. Hmm. Then what is that definition? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the definition of that competitiveness? You mentioned me that is the meaning.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Now it is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. What is the definition to the competitiveness? Purnali. Come in video
Yes,
mode.
sir. So I'm in video mode only.
You're not in video mode. Come in video mode.
So I'm in video mode only.
Now it is okay. Now you are in video mode. Tell me.
Yes, sir. So I'm just not remembering the definition of
Very
that.
good. Very good. Rashmi Maghdum.
Yes, sir.
Definition to the competitiveness.
The definition I don't know, sir. I can tell the meaning.
Yeah.
The meaning? So competitiveness basically means a desire to perform better than others, sir. To be
Desire to
successful.
perform better than others.
Yes,
Why
sir.
that is required?
So that's required because obviously competitiveness drives anyone to perform better, sir. When there's a competitive nature or when there's a competitive environment, everyone gives their best to perform at a level best, sir.
Tell me, what is that control costs?
Sir,
Control costs.
control costs?
Huh.
No idea, sir.
No idea?
No, sir.
No, what you need to control in the form of costs. Costs
The
related
costs,
to
sir.
whom?
So cost related to the labor and workers, sir,
You need to tell
and
me.
employees.
You need to discuss
Yes,
that.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So cost, control cost is basically the cost that we incur on employee benefits, sir, on various employee benefit
The
schemes
higher
that
the
need to
pay
be
level,
controlled.
the higher the labor cost. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So labor cost is
Yes,
equal to what kind of pay level is there you are providing to the employee into number of employees. Got it?
Yes, sir.
The higher the pay level relative
Yes,
to
sir.
what competitors pay, the greater the relative cost to provide similar products or services to the end users. So you might think
Yes,
the
sir.
organization should pay the same particular pay level to the existing employee or to the same rate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then Sanket Russell, come in video mode. Sanket Russell. Sanket. Sanket. Gautami Tapale. Gautami Tapale.
Yes, sir.
Yes, come in video mode.
Yes, sir.
All have to come in video mode, huh? Today I am going to ask some more important questions related to how much I completed my syllabus. Gautami. Hello, audible? Gautami?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. You
tell
are
me
audible.
how to attract and retain the existing employees to the organization.
By giving them perquisites, allowances,
Huh?
extra benefits.
That is not answer.
So by giving them perquisites, allowances, and extra benefits.
Hmm. What are the extra benefits you want to give them?
So like travel allowances,
Hmm.
meal,
Rohin Nadaf.
HRA.
That is not an exact answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rohin, tell me how to attract and retain the employees. What are the facilities you need to give them?
So employees, like we have different set of employees. We have different levels, pay levels for that different employees, sir.
How you are going to
For
calculate
an
the pay levels?
so we can say that the not only do the rates paid for the similar job vary among the employers, but a single company may set a different pay level for different job families, sir.
Okay.
Like there are houses, we can set the employees based on the works what they do. Then we can we can say that bonuses we can give, facilities we can provide them, sir, depending on their work, so that they can take care of their work in a quality way, sir.
Okay. Cool. Now tell me one
Then
more
we can
question.
say that, yes, sir.
What shapes external competitiveness? Why that external competitiveness is required?
So external competitive growth of the organization, has there is a competition. If there is a competition, then the automatically they want to grow themselves, sir. Like from where they are, they want to reach. Like every organization has their benchmarks, sir. They always try to meet that benchmark and or to cross that benchmark. The shapes which are external competitives are like labor market factors are there, sir. Product market factors are there. Organization factors are there, sir. These are the three factors which shapes the external competitiveness.
Tell me,
Whereas
what
in
are we
the
to learn
yes.
from that labor market factors?
So in the labor market factors, the competition between the labor market for the people in the various skills, the labors what they have the skills from one organization to other organization in the labor market factor, they see that. Whereas in the product market factors, the quality of the product, the or the services that organization produce, in this the product market factor, they look upon that, sir. Like what is the financial condition, what are the quality or the quantity that organization produces, these all in the product market factors. Whereas in the organization factors, sir, they look upon the technology what the organization use, they look upon the strategy what the organization look, they look upon the plan and other things what the organization create, how they acquire or the recruit the employees, or how the experience and productivity of work quality will be there in the organization. It is look in the organization factors.
Okay. By analyzing these three major factors like labor market factor, product market factor, then one more that organization factors, how these all are
Yes, sir.
going to impact on the external competitiveness in general?
So if we look up, yes, sir. So if we look upon all these factors, the external competitiveness, we can see that if we are good in all these factors, then we have a some rank in the some rank in the industries. We can say we have. For an example, Sanofi India is the fourth largest in the world, sir, for the medical facilities. If it produces good quality of work, if it follows three major factors, external factors, then it may reach second or first level, sir, by its competitiveness with the other organization. By this way, they can the external competitive required for the growth of the organization in the further levels, to go further, to jump one level or one rank extra.
Okay, true. Tejashwini Upri. Tejashwini Upri.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me how labor markets those are working now.
By their basic assumptions, sir.
Huh?
They seek maximum profits. Peoples are they are homogeneous towards the interchangeable business,
Okay. Apart
and
from that,
focus on the actions of the employers, where they can perform better and get their daily wages.
okay.
Then
How
supply
labor
side.
market should work? What are the policies they need to follow? Labor markets.
To increase their better performance, they have to follow what are the set of the policies which are set by the organizations.
Okay. Tell me any two to three policies by those are framed by the organization in generally.
The employees supply side should be potential for the employees.
Okay.
Then qualification and the pay model should be feasible for all the employees.
Okay.
exchange for the service should be profitable.
Hmm?
That's it, sir.
Okay. What do you mean by labor demand according to you?
As how the specific employees is hired for performing proper works at the right time.
That is what labor demand is. No?
Means if there is scarcity of laborers, means there will be demand for labor, sir.
See, how you are going to analyze the demand to the labor?
By the performance.
By the performance.
Means if there are no proper laborers are available at the right time, then there will be having scarcity for the laborers, sir.
Okay.
Then that creates a demand for the laborers, and they'll be in search for hiring laborers.
Okay. Okay. Correct. So, for the purpose to maintain that labor demand in the organization, what are the strategies you are going to implement, Tejaswini? Yes, Tejaswini.
Yes, sir.
For the purpose to maintain same labor demand in the organization, same workforce in the organization, what are the strategies you are going to implement as an HR manager?
There should be feasible workspace for the laborers, so that they will be working with all their giving their 100% efforts.
Yes.
And
Yes.
provide some extra benefits and all to attract them towards the organization, so that
What are those
so
extra
that
benefits?
we can give some bonuses, then stock options, and some extra benefits, some allowances, and all shall be given.
Okay. Next point is marginal product. Do you know the meaning of marginal product?
No, sir, I'm not aware of it.
Rashmi Magdum?
Yes, sir.
Marginal product means what?
So marginal product is one extra unit of product that is produced.
What is that?
So one extra unit of product that is produced, sir, is marginal product.
Okay. Why
To
that
the total product,
production
sir.
is important?
So what?
Why that production is important?
So marginal production. Marginal product is important, sir, because we get to know the cost, how much cost we incur on producing every single unit of product, sir. Marginal product. Basically, the concept of marginal product, marginal cost, and marginal revenue helps us to know what is the cost incurred and what is the revenue that we generate on every extra product that we produce, sir.
Then what is that marginal revenue according to you?
Yes, sir, that's what I said. Marginal revenue is the revenue generated from producing every extra single unit of product, sir.
Okay. Then what is that labor supply is according to you?
So labor supply is basically the number of laborers available to work in an organization to meet the demand, sir.
Okay. How you are going to analyze that demand?
So demand is basically analyzed on the basis of the vacancies available, and then that's what, sir. On the basis of vacancies available only, we analyze the demand, sir.
Availability depend on the availability only. You are going to analyze the demand. If there is no any
Not availability,
means there
sir.
is no demand.
No, sir, no, sir. Not availability, sir. It is based on the vacancies, sir, as to how many employees have left and how many employees or laborers do we require.
I'm not getting exactly. Means if there is a more number of vacancies are there, then if there is a more number of applicants are then there is a that is called as labor supply.
No, sir. Labor supplies. The labor demand is basically the number. Labor demand is analyzed on the basis of the vacancies that are available, sir. Number of people that we need, that is our demand, sir.
Okay.
And the number of people that we are able to recruit into our organization is the supply, sir.
That is what I'm actually expecting.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Next point is Rashmi. Tell me,
Yes,
there
sir.
are majorly pay policy alternatives are there. I mentioned already. Three are the major: to lead, to meet,
Yes, sir.
and to follow. What are those?
Yes, sir. So can you please repeat? I missed it, sir.
There are majorly three major policies of alternatives are there. Policy alternatives.
Yes, sir.
You can call those are to lead, to meet, and to follow.
Yes, sir.
Pay alternatives or pay level alternatives are there. So what to lead
Yes.
and what to meet and what to follow?
So to lead is basically to lead the pay structure, sir, in the
Uh,
market.
uh,
And to meet is, I don't know to meet, sir. To follow, I can say there should be a conscious strategy. There should be some goals, strategies, objectives that we need to follow, sir.
then to meet, what to meet?
I don't know, sir. To meet the demand, maybe, sir.
To meet the demand to the objectives. Okay.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes, Rohin. Very, very important. That's why I'm asking you.
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
only one side teaching is not enough for this in MBA. I'm expecting both sides after completion of my particular syllabus. Both sides that learning is very important. Tell me, Rohin, what to lead, what to meet, and what to follow.
Yes,
Why
sir.
these are coming under the three conventional pay levels of alternatives?
So pay policy alternatives, we can say to lead means market lead. So
Uh,
market lead, we have to meet the market lags,
market?
and to follow the market lags. Like lag policy will be there of the company from the competition among the employees of the one organization to the other organization. Then there will be a market match to follow the organization alternatives, sir.
Okay. What is that exactly to
Yes, sir.
lead? What you are going to lead?
So we have to lead the pay structure of the employees for the
Uh,
to target the better or the higher competition than the other organization.
okay. If you are going to increase the any pay level, take an example. What you are going to expect from the employees?
Better quality of the work from the employees
Yes.
and trustworthiness from the employees, because as we are paying them the higher salary
Uh,
and as we are increasing their salary, then
uh,
they should do the quality of the work, produce the quality of the products
uh.
better than the other organization. Because there is a competition between us and the other organization. So they should work hard.
Then what to meet?
So the rate, we can say that pay levels. We have to meet the market lag policy appears to fit with the lowest cost other than the market pay line, sir. We have to meet the pay levels of the organization of the different employees based on the lower level employees and the higher level employees.
Why you need to give such a kind of particular offer to the workers to meet?
So because too much turnover will undercut a company's ability to operate efficiently, sir. And we can say to market goods and services on the timely basis. So the company that adopt the market lag policy need to balance the cost savings with productivity and quality concerns.
Okay.
So they have to look
You can
to
add that
meet
word,
that.
that words also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Those are
That
also
balance cost
purposeful.
savings with the productivity and quality concerns.
Then what to follow?
So we have to follow the match policy closely because companies pay according to the market pay line, sir. So pay rate fall along the market pay line. We have to follow what we can say how generally we spend on the employees. Strategy that there should be a proper strategies plan. There should be a proper goals
Okay.
or the targets to be meet by the employees or the organization regarding the competitiveness of the
We
external
need to
organizations.
follow in generally. We need to follow the some principles.
Differentiation strategies. Yes, sir.
Principles. So on the basis of those principles works only we can maintain that some standard it is. So each and every employee they need to follow those particular standard it is and they need to work in the proper manner. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So those are coming into the pay policy
Yes, sir.
alternative.
Yes, sir.
And I already mentioned that lead, lag, and lag. Yes, Rohin, tell
Lead
me,
lag.
what is that lead? Already you are leading the organizations by framing such a kind of any strategies, any principles, by discussing your goals with all the employees. Then what is that lead?
So lead means by targeting the end date, like December for some countries it will be like from Jan to December 31st. For some will be like financial year. For India, what we have from April to March, uh, we have to set the date. Like within this date, we have to complete the work. If that pay structure will be higher for the employees
Means
because
again you need to take such a kind of work or any targets by them.
yes, sir, there will be target. You will lead the market for both the first and the second 6 months of the year.
Okay, what is that exactly?
So that lead, for example, we can say that in the organization or the industry's skilled workforce, limited labor pool, etc. You beg your midpoints to the competitive throat. Like in four quarters we have, sir, in a year. Then based on that quarter we can compare, like in this quarter how much we have worked, how many quality of the products, or how the workers has improved themselves.
Okay.
We can compare with that, sir. Like lead means half year, like quarter year or 6 months, we can compare our performance of the organization with the other performance. Then we can lead our organization with the other organization. This is lead, sir.
Okay. And then lag is what?
Lag means behind, sir.
Ah,
Like where we are lagging, where we have to satisfy to remain behind the market for the complete fiscal year. Last time I have said that fiscal years mean the tax complication was the implications made by the government, rules and regulations made by the government are the fiscal years, sir.
okay.
So the company have to look where it is lagging behind, where it is lagging behind by its work facilities or the performance of the organization or performance of the employee. Based depending on that, they have to improve themselves, sir.
Okay.
You beg your pay
Particular
structure to
fiscal year,
competitive harm.
in that
Yes,
particular
sir. Yes,
fiscal
sir.
year, okay, how the labor are working, need to analyze their what kind of labor pool is, whether their particular standard it is are matching or no. Okay, so depend on that. Maybe in a year, two times or every 6 months or first 6 months, you need to analyze that. So depend on what kind of rules you are going to mention. That's we can call that as a lag. Lag is what fair doing if there is any mistakes they are doing. Take an example by analyzing that. Okay, you need to take that as a challenge, and again you need to lead that, right? So that's coming into the lag.
Yes, sir.
So lead and lag is what? Here you need to take that as a challenge
So lead and
to lead at that again.
challenge
You need
and
to
lag
analyze
to
that where
improve.
they are lagging. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
By leading, okay,
Yes, sir.
where they are lagging behind, what are the errors are there, what are the problems they are having. So by analyzing that as a leader, how you are going to take that as an initiation and how you will finish that. So depend on how organizations are going to take those particular datas, maybe structures, those are depend on maybe some people they are going to check from Jan to up to July 31st, and you will then lead the market by the again whatever first 6 months are there. You need to try that for the purpose to solve that any errors. Then again lag, what are the again problems are there. So those are depend on the again company policies. Got it? So next point is that is wage services. Tell me, Tejashwini Upri, Tejashwini Upri,
Yes, sir.
why wages surveys are plays a very important role?
Uh,
How you will do that wages survey as an HR manager?
by systematic process of collection and making a judgments
Like how?
by a design by designing the survey in proper manner
Huh?
and go through the survey and design it so that we'll get all the required informations
So survey is what exactly according to you?
to get all the details and the information of the employees, sir.
Tell me what are the types of surveys?
Mm,
Yes, what are those types of
we
surveys?
we can get some questionnaires prepared and get the research done for that, sir, so that we get required information what are we want exactly.
No, no, I'm not talking about the research. Leave that research. What are the varieties of surveys you are going to implement as an HR manager? I'm asking. See, n numbers of laborers are working under you. Okay, you are the HR manager. You need to take care about the organization. So wage surveys is very important because you need to analyze your competitors. Then what are those types of surveys?
By analyzing a performance size and structure of all the organizations.
No, 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 that's coming into the performance and this one. Wage surveys, before going to provide any such a kind of particular wages to your employee, how you will do that survey?
Getting to know that whether that provided wages are helpful for the employees or no.
No, types of
Means
surveys, tell me, types of surveys.
no, sir, I'm not
You don't
getting
know?
it now.
Rohin, Rohin,
Yes, sir.
explain what are the types of surveys?
So types of services. So there are, we can say, designated survey, that also designing the survey.
See, there are again n numbers of surveys are there. Those are depends on the okay. Take an example. One is questionnaire survey is there. Maybe again online survey is there. Maybe face-to-face survey is there. Maybe word of mouth survey is there. Maybe any informative surveys are there. There are again n number of tools are there for the purpose to collect any data related to the wages of your company. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then why that particular surveys are important and what are the method you are going to use while you are going to collect such a kind of any surveys to your organization? Yes.
So that surveys are important because from the surveys we get the information of that candidates or the employees, like where they stay, what are the qualities of them. Basically, by seeing, by getting the surveys or by getting their information,
Yes.
like imaginatively what this person is,
Yes.
how is behavior. Even by the handwriting also we get to know the behavior of the persons.
Yeah.
Based on that surveys we will get to know the ability skills of that persons. We'll get to know what the how the person is, what he have learned and how is knowledgeable. By
Yes.
surveys we'll get to know. So surveys are important for an organization.
So wages for the purpose to analyze the components of the wages, right? What are the components of
Yes,
wages?
sir.
Maybe how early you are giving or any extra benefits you are giving to the worker along with that. So for the purpose to analyze these all, okay, wages surveys are that initiation is taken by the HR manager, and an HR manager sometimes they are going to collect that particular survey by face to face in the working
Yes,
hours only. Okay, maybe in the time of break they will conduct one interview with them. Okay, second one, then third one by distributing the questionnaire they will collect that data, okay, whether they are satisfied or no. Then fourth one, not only to the our own organization, even to the outside organizations also, or outside the employees, in the time of when they will free, in the time of that, okay, they are going to provide that questionnaires in an easy manner, So they will need to collect whether they are happy or no. So depend on what kind of particular competition is there. Okay, what are the compensation they are paying to their workers and in our